Okay, we are about to
This is the
check out an abandoned train, is it?
Can I have my phone before you start filming?
Yeah, I am filming already. Let me
My
give you your phone. It's in my pocket. There
I
you
only
go.
want to film when I'm in the train.
Okay. So we're gonna show you this abandoned train station right here. So Leo, what do you know about this? Is it this way? Oh yeah, it's this way, yeah.
I only know that it is abandoned and it used to be the old train station or the boat station.
Yeah.
But yeah, now the new one is over there.
The new one is over there.
Operating.
Pretty modern, yeah. We're about to check out the abandoned train station.
1 second, over here.
Yeah. Want to go down? It smells like a toilet.
Yeah.
Check this out.
It's an abandoned train station.
Yeah, reminds me of my childhood.
Wow.
I used to live close to a train station, and my grandpa used to take me for walks. Pretty cool. So yeah, this is the abandoned train station, which is, yeah, it's pretty cool. It looks like a museum. Yeah, let's go and see that train over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go and check out that train. So Leo was telling me that he's been here before, right?
Yeah, I've been here in the night.
At
look,
night.
A gecko.
Oh, look, it's a gecko right there.
That's sick.
Yeah. Look,
Oh my God.
it's going. Oh yeah.
He's so quick.
So quick.
Dude, he's faster than me.
Yeah?
He would run in a... Dude,
There
he
you go.
stepped on glass.
Oh yeah. Man, watch out for this hole right here.
Wait, what?
There's a hole right there.
Ooh.
Let's go into this curb right here. So yeah, you were telling us that you've been here before at night.
Yeah, it was pretty scary.
Yeah. Okay. That's the train there. Let's go.
Inside the train.
Let's go inside the train. Yeah. Let me pause the video so we can cross this road. 1 second.
Okay.
Okay, we crossed the road. Look at this train, abandoned train. Yeah, Leo's gonna make a video too. Yeah. And that's the boat right there. These are the buildings. I can see our apartment from here. Are you going in? Wanna step inside? It looks like a toilet to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at this. No, we're not going in. Yeah, we're not going in.
Dude,
Yeah.
why not?
No, we're not going in, no.
Then forget this video.
Yeah.
What the hell, man?
Alright.
Take my phone.
Pretty good.
Where's it going?
Yeah, do you wanna walk a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There, take this.
Wanna walk a little bit? It's gonna walk. It might be dangerous. I can see a lot of holes in there. Yeah. Let's see if the other cars are in better conditions.
No, they're all horrible.
Yep. There you go. It looks like it's been burnt. We can see the inside of the train. Yeah. Could turn this into a house. It'd be cool to live on a train. Would you live on a train? Yeah, it has to be renovated though. Yeah, pretty cool. And I'm burning in the sun.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can find a lot of scrap metal here.
Yeah, you
You
can.
can use
Yeah.
that for combat.
Yeah. Look at that.
The little pole.
Yeah.
I can take your face off.
There's more. How many cars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5
Look at
cars. Wow, look at this. Yeah. This is huge.
I'm gonna kick it.
Yeah.
It moves.
Look at that, man. How can you possibly build something like this? It's fascinating.
I think there's a liquid in here.
Yeah, must be oil or water from the rain. Okay.
Look at this inside.
You can see people walking there. It looks like it's okay to cross the
Yeah,
footpath.
it's perfectly fine.
Yeah, okay.
Do you see any rails here? The trains won't go here.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Graffiti.
Ah.
Yeah.
One sec.
There you go. Okay, man. Let's get out of the sun. We're gonna walk back now to
Cool.
the old train station in Barreiro. That's the south side of Lisbon. Oh yeah, it says right there on the right side, Barreiro. Okay.
That's where the boat
Yeah,
is.
that's the ferry. That's not working at the moment.
No, it's
Yeah.
sleeping.
Yeah. Okay, so let's wrap up the video. Yeah, Leo, describe your little visit to the abandoned train.
It was pretty cool. I wanted to go inside.
Yeah.
But it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, awesome, man. Yeah, it was a cool visit to the abandoned train and the abandoned train station. Let's wrap it up here. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Look, a cyclist.
Are you gonna post that on YouTube?
Yeah, I'll put that on YouTube, yeah. I'm still filming.
I saw another gecko.
Yeah,
I'm gonna walk here.
okay.
What is this? That's a knife.
Jesus, let's not touch that.